How to format hard drive or SSD in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open File Explorer on your device. Then on the left side, click on This PC. In this PC, you will find all your drives. Select the drive you want to format. Then right-click on the drive you want to format, and then you will find all these options. Click on Format in here. After you have clicked on Format, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, select Capacity, File System, Allocation, Unit Size, Volume Label. After you've selected everything, press on Start at the bottom and your drive or SSD will be formatted. This is how to format hard drive or SSD in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.